kini gede dashe MEGHALAYA bagi petang supaya pi baro syaratuk kubor meta kejan miet. Shoban pash ke kubor ke bebnyai pechmai kimat bekongsan. Terting unong yalam kaliang persya Dr. Mukul Sangmai ke jing bemla ke sorkar ban pensa nge ia ke jing shalantu yo doyong. Klaim airing ke TMC ke election MDC banjur halor kumnu ban penklanya ke seng nadu tenrai. Om Shimlayo kene hui gunu ke jengkerpa ni college prepare penpau ke mon penpenya snok pat ke State University ong senior professor kene hu. Yasoi sekolah ke IOCL bat ki board district jongkeri boy bat pendiang ye ki Jakarta ksai bat pentri kamda ke board jongkesni. But I could play Menteri Rang Bak Jela halor ke jeng yok kur takma ke babun tam ke MEGHALAYA hakelempung National Games. Ki kubor ki bebnia. Undang yalam kaliang persya Dr. Mukul Sangmai la ther ting ke sorkar MEGHALAYA Democratic Alliance apo ke jeng yalam ke NPP ban khanglad ya ke jeng shalantu bat ke jeng TBA nyau doyong. Dr. Mukul Sangmai wala kedau bakat kum ke section arpoi jeng ke Mines and Minerals Development and Regulation Act kakandai spaksan penyau ke kedau bakat dei ke kamram jeng ke sorkar ban kemi ya kum kini ki kambean. Ula berngemru balada ki bor pedi kemi kim la ban le AA ki dei ban shim jengkit kliek bekim la ban pendap ya ke kamram.
I think it is important for us to refresh ourselves with the responsibility that is vested upon the authorities pertaining to the issues of any illegal mining. Please remember that the Section 21 of the MMDR Act 1957 made it binding on the part of the government to take any issue of illegal coal mining cognizable. This is a cognizable offense. So when we say that this is a cognizable offense, that means the government or the authorities concerned who are vested with the responsibility have to take cognizance of any instances of such illegalities.
Kaseng Trinamool Congress kan ya airing shak election KHASI Hills Autonomous District Council bagi Giant Hills Autonomous District Council belabuk min pelong ke arpway terik urimpang. Unong yalam kaliang persya ubadeiru Menteri Rang Bak Berim Dr. Mukul Sangmai laong baka TMC kelarai ban ya kun akan ke election hadir belashim jeng Kenya ke jeng long jengman. Ula banjur halor kumnu ban penklanya ke seng kamtam nadu tenrai.
We have taken a conscious decision that it is not necessary for us to fight every election, particularly district council election, because we are revisiting as to how to further strengthen the party, particularly in the grassroots level. Because in absence of proper organization at the grassroots level, it is very important for us to ensure that we look at the practical, rather the ground reality at the ground zero, and it is almost like deciding not to put the cart before the horse.
Director Jonka College Development Council of North Eastern Hill University Dr. DRL Longlai lapentip bagidan praphautali ki college ki bapenya snok bat kenehu ka ba ai jengi kai ka general but professional course ulapen shai ba kenehu kam shimlayo ya kanu ke jengker pat ngi college prepare bapen pau ka mon ban penya snok bat ka Captain Williamson Sangma State University Shusho la batai bagi college bapenya snok kalong ka babun ki jerwat ha ka ba ka school ba ka don kam ya shibun ki nong tre ki nong hikai ki tanat prepare ban pimbiang ye ki jeng don kam jong ka college
hadumta ki college kentu begini ki general course berki professional course ki ba affiliate berki ki don kum ba praponya pratale kentu begitu ki ba ni ongi ki provisional affiliation ni ai ka provisional affiliation but ki turu ki ba la khamslam ki ba ni la ai ki permanent affiliation
KHASI Students Union mata kasing la penlong ke examen banjir di samla ki banlet sha hikai na kabenta ka UPSC Delhi. Habakrench kelap thai khubor u Assistant Education Secretary jong ka KSU samla Richardson Malnyang ulong baka KSU katmu ban ithu ki khna puli ki betebit banlet sha hikai ban yakun ke examen UPSC Delhi. Ulong bapalat shis pa angut ki khna puli na shlong ba na ki jaka nong kendong ki lawan ban le ya kan ke examen.
Nakaliang kesengkan sajid ini semua boleh kiban pas pada examination ya kaba ni ingin nakaliang keseng bisa pernah ya kiri sol bagi segi kiban wan selection proses nakaliang doseng kalau ngenjit di itu kiban syakmat te habide patka nomor ya kaba ingin pak sipo Delhi ya kan ingin sa ya penbaik nama kadega kam kaba ni jingtip kadega jang pedeng jong seng bagi semua boleh kiban sajid.
Laya soya ka soskular MOU hanin gasngi hapdeng ka Indian Oil Corporation Limited but ka board district ka ribhoy na kabentaban shalan arspa sanpu southli ke jaka thirksai bla pentre kam da ka board jo kasngi kani ka program kalong ka benta jong ka corporate social responsibility program jong ka IOCL ya ka balamang ka jinglut ka ba kot ya ka hnriu puar pon khandai pra laktingka on pentre kam ya kani ka jakat thirksai di village organization hapo ka jing kmi jo ka MEGHALAYA state rural livelihood society but ko office jong deputy commissioner.
It will not only bring sudden change into the productivity of the output, but it gives an saving, like it become more efficient, and it will encourage more farmers to come and take this activity.
Unang ilam jong kakur uba morning star ulapan pau ke jing so kya jing mut jong o halor ka jing hiar arsut ka akor ka buram tin rai hapo kakur lapan pau ya kani ke jing so kya ka por bapelong ka dorbar kor jong kakur halamalong haribhoi district hinin kesngi nalor kani lajit kinongkit kam bathmai na ka benta ka samoy 8000 apun riu hadu 8000 arpupra hakaba uba jues ula shajit kum president uba Chesterfield kum General Secretary lembat kiwe kinongkit kam.
Hagatip kur katip kha yin hikai ki khun jungi banlong ki khun ki bako ngo ya ki handman ki para ki khun ki bako ngo ya ki kmi ki kpa ki khun ki bako ngo ya ki kni ki balong kum ki nong sensyar haga ying gesem lada ka kmi kam shim ya ki jingkit kli Nginom yo ya ki khun ki bakong bat kalaway jong kalongkur ka mankur kalong kalaway ka badu jingkerman kalaway jong ka imlang ka salang kalong kalaway ka badu jingkerman.
Kaseng Ribhoy People's Council kalapan pau ke jing sokya halor ka jing register ya ki kali ket nong pang badang thamai kum shibenta jong ka health shuttle service jong ka University of Science and Technology MEGHALAYA. Ka council kala ong ba ka jing register ya shi photeli ki kali bala pelat pai ba do menteri rangbau Conrad Sangma la pendap ha Assam ka RBPC kala ong ba ka jing register ya kini ki photeli ki kali ha Assam kalong ong ka jing le bum khen snap ya ka bor penia jong ka jilla bat kala kentu ya ka sarkar jilla bat penshai halor kani kamai.
Ya kabakum kaseng ngi penpau bat ngi penrem ba chief minister ulak benong bakani gade ban bus ya ka healthcare dak ba pelat ya kini ki spotuli ki kali ka urbania vans santli bat ka AC bus santli henry ka bagaseng ka ko ban bu ya ka jingkeli ka long ba kai ka dau ka ba penlong ya ka pims USTM ban register ya ka kali sha asam kabakum kaseng ngishim ba ka priority ya ka sarkar kadai ban bu hakmat ban kentiu ya ka revenue ya ka yo ka kot ban ong ba ya ka jaga ka badon hapo uput usam jong ka jela ka jongi ya ka ban let register ya ki kali sha asam bat ban pelat haplau ying jong chief minister ngishim nga kaseng bakani kadai ka insult ya ka state hakmat jong executive head.
Ka MEGHALAYA klala ban le bha ka Limpong National Games hadien baklaya okur santali ki takma ka jingle kai canoeing ha Uttarakhand kinong job ki kenthup yu samla pinch ngain kurba u Indra Sharma ke Elizabeth Vincent u Vikash Rana ha ka jagi kun para marwe kat ba ka Kiran Devi bat ka B Anandhi kila yo takma ha ka lightweight women's double sculls. Haka jeng ikran ba ka video u Conrad ula ai ku blake nong job bakan thup yo coach u Ian but ka team manager ka Sheila ki blak kente ka jeng kershan ka sarkar but ka jeng treshi tom jongki ban wanra ya ka jeng job.
How are you all feeling today? So I just wanted to take this opportunity to once again congratulate all of you for this great achievement that you have achieved and for bringing laurels to your family, to your association, and of course to the state as a whole. And as your Chief Minister, I just want to tell you that we are very, very proud of you. We'll be waiting to receive you here in Shillong, and a lot of exciting discussions are there. I have shared some of them with Pinchnai. The rest I will share with you when you all come here.
Katura Agri Horti Society lala pen perlong ke jingpin inam ba ke jaya ko pen bet sintiu Christian Girls High Secondary School Tura. Kani ka program katmu ben kintiu ka tanat horticulture but floriculture ka than. La yo I ke jing shimbenta jo ki nong rep ki nong thung sintiu bet ki khana school. Ha kani ke jingpin inam la pen I ki so ki pai ki jhor ki jhep ki jing thung jing tep but ka rukom pen bet sintiu ka pen pau ke jing riu spa jo ka than ha ka liang ka me mariang. Mentang ini pek ke jenglong jeman ke simneng syatura. Ka jikre kelong khatlai degree Celsius ba jing shit kelong apupra degree Celsius ka jing scam kau hau kelong arpusan na ka shispa. Haba pai hanong ba Shillong ka jikre kelong 0.0 degree Celsius ba jing shit kelong 4.0 degree Celsius ka jing scam kau hau kelong sau pusau na ka shispa. Kat ba shi jawai pat ka jing kre kelong khandai degree Celsius ba jing shit kelong 4 degree Celsius ka jing scam kau hau kelong lai pusan na ka shispa. Kesuin menengkan rang hatura jawai pada Shillong ki babun ki jaka kala aru bandon ke jing dumul o kendo ke ba malu malaki ka tu ni ki jaka. Showen poi shu buku jong tup kubor ngini pai sashi sien shakimat bukongsan. Ther ting unong yalam kaliang persya Dr. Mukul Sangmai ke jing bamlak ke sorkar ban pensak nge ia ke jing shalantu ya udoyong. Klaim aireng ke TMC ke election MDC banjur halor kumno ban penklan ya ke seng naduk tenrai. Om shim layo ke nehui ke nugu ke jegerpat ke college prepare ke penpau ke mon bat penyesno ke State University ong senior professor ke nehu. Yes, so sekolah ka IOCL bat ki board district jong ke ribhoi ban penbiang ni ki jaka thirk sai ban petrik kam da ke board jong ke sni. But I ku blai menteri rang ba ke jelah lor ke jengyo khur takma ke babun tam ke Meghalaya ke Lumpung National Games. Ti parlok ke tung lapoi sok buku jong thup ke board jeng ta ke jan miet. Hadu bin di syam yang berpilih syai ke sini ku blai pi paro.